guess what? I already got my replacement seeds. I just ordered these. I sent a message Sunday night. They couldn't have gotten it until Monday, of course. And this is Wednesday, and they're here.
And they're all labeled and everything. So I'm so excited. I'm going to put them in my garden, water them, not a ton, but just enough to get them established because it might even rain a little tonight. And then my husband and I are going to finish putting the fence around the second one to make sure those little rabbits don't come and eat my food. After all this, they better not. So here I go.
Seed side down. Oh, it's so exciting. I'm going to be so excited to see these come up. I'm going to tuck them under here a little bit because it looks like that's the way they're supposed to be, is you kind of tuck them under. Okay, they're all in, and now, time to water. A little bit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Now we have to put the fence around. I'm really excited. Mainly because I look at those beans and I look at that lettuce and I think that just in like 10 days I'm going to be allowed to snip that lettuce. Just the one kind, that's the spring mix. I'll be able to snip enough for whoever's here for dinner and make a salad. And then maybe the next day come out and snip some more for the next day. And it should be able to be done quite a few times this summer because that one keeps coming up. I asked them and they said you cut it with about an inch down, an inch left at the ground. You cut the leaves off, you eat those, and it should come back up. So we'll see how that goes.
I'm all done. I got the new pods put in. I got everything watered, and my husband helped me put the fence around, and it's all ready to go. All it has to do is grow.
And I'm really excited. I can't wait to see the new ones come up. I just love new little baby plants. I love watching my garden grow, and I love the fact that I don't have to pull weeds. I've been pulling weeds tonight down in my mini little strawberry patch, and that's enough. Anyhow, I'll see you in about a week. We'll see how it goes. I'll talk to you later. Bye.